Selassie. Jah Rastafari. Jump on the spot like so. All who know something pussy from them man. Jump. Babylon lock me up for a little time forever. Fireman. Dash it way man. Next track. Circle Bounty Kill and the Alliance family, Mavado. Sizzla Kalonji. From the field to the market. From the market to the field. I've got so much things to reveal. She got to leap all over and die from the uncat. And the same little bubble you 28. Round a market, me juggle back. Say she never know she would have the way. She got to leap all over from the uncat. And the same little bubble you 28 fit try. Round a market, me juggle. Say she love. I'm trotting from the mountains. For me foot up here red dot. Crocus back them stitch up on the cabbage well cut. Bout a dozen hydrate bomb me shot. There was a ripe bananas and some peanuts. I met this princess in the market standing by the colbud. See that all she need was a yanai comfort. She come from upper river gut, but she coming home to my little heart. She got one lip all over from the yan. Low. All who know say, it take a man and a woman to bring forth life. Put up the animal like so. No butter around here. What was up Portland? No butter king. Then I can wow. And she always admire when I go. I know I see my turban each and every morning. Sipping a little water from the spring. I push my cart and dance and sing. Oh, what a loving, caring woman you are. Oh, yes, you are. And what I am thankful for. She never take no money from the superstar. She get quality all over from the uncat. I did dash it where. Yes, Portland, you know. Feels good to be here, man. Keep it blessing, man. Bless up Charles Palace to all In Touch family. Second take. Clear the eye. What the heck man them there? All marijuana smokers. Keep on burning the chalice. Burn out John Paul. Whoa. Once and for all. Everybody who hear something like so. I love the marijuana. I told the man, hey officer, take this and go so for me. I can't take it any. I cannot take it. Wow. And why you acting like you've never seen a good job of my Portland weed be? I can't hear you. Have you ever seen it? Wow. But now you're telling her you're nice. If you follow you go down a station. Me little style and me juggling. And I get to use so in a jug smuggling. My herbs is all up. Tell me what you squaddy, don't you? Oh, don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Is it because I'm then again? Tell me what you squaddy, don't you? Oh, don't you know? Turn it up, turn it up. Woo, make you do such a big happy. Not just all the friend up on the walkie. Next track. Hold it down, talk to the people. You know what, sir? It's summertime, and the kids are out of school, and everybody I look forget a little one thing. Come up a Uncle Sam, a barrel and thing. See? Now Portland, the real ghetto youths them and the real warriors them. One knows no matter what the circumstances, we have to wear good clothes, we have to eat good food, and we have to survive. No matter about Uncle Sam nor Uncle Pam. Come I don't tell them some now live a stinking dirty Merrimack, I know. So all who know some about out bad man, because some people get a little one visa and fly up and come back and hype and them black brother and them black sister. All who have been out hype goes and we have this like this. Only Emmanuel I still see me and them John Jock Latina. Turn it up and blaze it. Jump on the spotlight. Jump on the spotlight. Who ready again then? Love. either your visa to travel to the USA. And they say that I'm not qualified and I might run off and stay. Hey, so counselor boy, me your ask I want make. You never give no visa to the youth perfect. So right now I want to fling my hands through the glass and switch you blasted. Me now live for baby backer. Low. Low. This is Port Antonio, one of the major tourist resorts in Jamaica. You have Ocho Rios and you have Negril. From what area? You have some boy, I go round, say them my rasta, she have them moustache, and I suck pussy, fi go live a booyak. All who knows the woman now sit down in your face, go so again. Young girl, if you not suck no cocky fi go foreign, go so. Me and them John the cloud, turn it up. Hello, low. But from you never suck no pussy, let me see ya no. You say, no boy who can't stand up. Portland pass for me, got the band, them and me go so. What, low. No licking me say no, no licking me say no, no licking me say no, no licking. Anywhere that meat is eating, Rasta no in that kitchen. Then again, no licking me say no, no licking me say no, no licking me say no, no licking. Anywhere that meat that's Rasta no in that. Come, but for you never gonna bed with no knife or fork. And in the ear me when you rock up pop off and no licking me say no, no, me say no, no, me say no, no. Stop, no put your foot no further. You say no for them and yam pussy burger. No licking me say no, no. Lord, Portland. Them have a thing what them call law. And them say no one better than the law. Rastafari there is law. The police them there for protect and serve. Yet still, sometimes some of them bring it a little bit across the law where they come like bad mind activity get involved. Yeah? So at this point in time,
What one ENT?
Shot the kingfish them out of the sea and make them drop on the boat. Make me see the chun chocolate and them go up. But then again, I go pay them a farted. Me never. How I do constable run belly? I put paper on the front of it. How I? No bother me. Get the money. No bother me. Can't hear you. No bother. No bother. You too damn conniving. He love the car driving. Your sister arriving. I like a smoke and thing. I be a good song me sing. Me a the Yankee king. Come every maca waiting. Me nah see up nah trim. No one no gun to sing. But to go take up me knife to peel me pumpkin bomb. No bother. No matter. Love you Portland. Celestia.
And I'm telling you, Perfect's in the building. It's getting real serious and the fire's about to turn up. Y'all ready for more? Y'all ready for more? All right then, give it up for Teflon! Teflon.
Yeah.
Teflon.
Oh, well, cleaning up, yo, that's how I'm stepping in. Babylon, there you will be getting it. Hey, this is coming from my heart and my soul. Babylon, them too cold. Them will shoot out your heart and shoot your billfold. Never let Babylon get hold of your soul. Or else you, them, I control the Teflon. I've been holding on to Jaja. So firm and strong. Yes, I've been holding on to Jaja love. Hey, Teflon, I've been holding on to Jaja love. So firm and strong. Teflon, I've been holding on to Jaja love. Turn it down, bam. Hey, get a youth, stand up firm. Look and you will learn. Don't bad mind no one because the table will turn. They give thanks and give praises for what you can earn. I raise up the fire, let it burn. I'm the son of Solomon. Hey, Portland, me no follow man. I'm the trendsetter, there's no one praise King Selassie. He's the kings of kings, don't lie. You go, boom, I jump on body. Hey, Saddam Martin, we got get born, I don't know. Give me the second track, they don't know. Big up on the cell, Portland. Life for us is our dead for the wicked, cut and clear. You see other people over there don't know, so big up themselves. Proud to be black or baby mother and baby father. Who die you honor thy mother and thy father, so that then is belong on this earth. And pure youth and youth were there. Never forget where I come from. Just big up on yourself and keep it real, alright? I listen and see on the first. Hey, yo, hey, just get up and strive for youth. Just get up and strive for youth. And who know it and make you take no right. Get up and strive for youth. Pressure up life. Come stick together like a beast, man. Teflon to get to break it down. You see in a life, we just want to know, sir. All I want bleach out them skin and get the fire in them face. Sodomite and Bowcat I get the fire in them face when I beg no friend. And you see through them now help the youth, them I get the heretical fire. Teflon represented with the eye for burning fire. Over here, so I don't want no name. And let me tell you then, hey Mr. Big Man, tell me what is in your plan. I don't see nothing for the younger generation. Hey Mr. Big Man, what's your intent? What's your intent? Hey, boom, give me the second talk about it there. Don't know, Bling Dawg, big up myself, said with the second talk about Babylon, because you don't know. Big up on yourself, all people are there and out, you don't know, big up on yourself, clean liberty, take on a fire. Life for the righteous and dead for the wicked now. I'm seeing the man who was shot, sodomite and batty man over here, so. What the man will I still I say, Joe, Rastafari, turn it up, I'm here the rhythm there. I'm see the people on my bounce and feel the joy. What the man will I still I say, hey, turn it down, batty boy, me go burn it pan them, run it pan them. I am to the magazine and me go burn it pan them, and me go run it pan. And me go burn the pan, and me go run the pan. Turn it down, and me go squeeze you up and them no be the rifle. But the boy and sodomite, me said them life I get stifled. Them no wait for man, it move them out bridle. Hey, fit the motherfucking world, your man a rasta up the cycle. Whoa, say them a gangster, but them a joby. Them worse than the motherfucking fouling and the coopy. Out the way me gun big up and wheel me off your shoe be. Say them a gang, nothing not on the way. Hold on, me want to see all of the man will love woman who knows say man to man get bun. Sodomite and batty boy get what? Me a look over here, so watch out. I don't want no girl of them me beat. But jump lesbian and batty boy and me feet. Yes, I don't agree, push up your one and make me see it. Who no want no girl feet? Hold on. Listen, outside boy, if you no really want no girl, no want warm, no girl, no want kiss, no pan, no girl, no want stand, no girl, no flow, no farm, no girl, then no. Copper shot me fi put on no girl, listen then me use the line and take question a girl and cheese can't fuck down because me hear a line a girl, me bun the Saddamism. When me see a guana girl, bun the boy them who up, and I go on the girl. That you there yourself fi put up on a girl, bun the boy them who up, bow look up on a girl. The way me cocky big is like a whole foot up on a girl. Slide it in and open like a, you don't know, give me track for me move and left the people and I see big up on yourself. I'll Selassie the first, life rats and death for the wicked. What the man will I Selassie? Jah, Rastafari, life rats and death for the wicked. Definitely presenting. Hey, Portland, the fire burn. Hey, the one on here. You feel the vibe, you see the humbleness. That love on the Portland and Selassie the first, life rats and death for the wicked.
All right, y'all. We have now officially reached the halfway mark. And right now it's about time for what is called the future of dancehall. Now there's some artists out there that's been doing something real big in the business. And y'all know who I'm talking about. Ladies, y'all know I don't, y'all. All right. Ladies, do you know Busy? Well, I'll tell you, they are all the future of dancehall. But right now, my man who comes from Cassava Peace is in the building. The man who brought you Gangsta for Life. Give it up for Mavado!
Gangsta for life. Anyway, Portland. Anyway. A bad man thing, Portland, yo, a full clip, gonna sleep while burn out. She start music. Come on, hype with you. Portland. Tell them they ain't the real man. They're just some baby. Portland up. Yo, them want to them a, tell you. I want to know. Bad man thing, big up my dad's bounty killer. Oh, the some boy. I'm the people that love their alliance, Gossa. Pick up yourself, Vibes Cartel, I'm a brother. I don't, I'm busy. I love you too. Magnum girls, big up on yourself. But you want me? Some look a push soul from where there. Cause I'm telling you something, you know, them son of bad not for cuss, but show me a bad man. Some boy from where there, I go around and I call up the alliance name and I go on like say, yeah. Them I did, but yo, I want the some man. Yo, I gun back, I'm saying, yo, kick it off, cause we didn't back along talking. Yeah. Anyway, I'm still a real bad man, I'm Gossa. When I borrow a gun, I Portland this. Yeah. A bad man place. My dad, pick up yourself, Bounty Killer. Ball, them a ball. Gun on this and a gun over. Bust one on the far. Them a ball, them a. When it come to army now, banana to be extra. Polar. Bad man is the bomber. Met them. Man ain't the rifle with building. Gun shot fit. Tell you that. Portland. Mr. Youth, I forget rich in life, Gossa. Because from my dad's Bounty Killer boss me every day I make money. Big up yourself, Bounty Killer. You're going to live till you're around 5 million years old. Some boy better know that bomb buckler. Gangster for life. Anyway. I'm Mr. the man who go on the street and struggle for money, Gossa. Gangster for life. Say me, say, what else are them there? Ganta. See, I was dreaming that I know.
Bullet. Nah, give it up for Mavado. More? You want more? What you say, more? All right. On the count of 3, I want you to call him yourself. Call Mavado. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Yeah. Gangster for life. Real Buckley's on Portland gangsters. Anyway. Gangster for life. Anyway. And nurse man. Some boy have to know a bad man. No Portland. Where them a do? Where them a marrow away? The killer goes no borrow with money. Marrow away. Hey! Nice one. Wait. We no take that. Send boy body to the. Them boy they not know. Them and them. Them a cry like a bitch when the war start. Run like a witch at me. Them want me murder them. Gangster for life. Them want zero eye. Maraga fly in the sky. I. No.
What on?
For a country and tell them that it's suffering. And so much AK rising. Preacher man stop the racketeering. You see the conquering lion let I hear him. Love, they never hear him. They keep on knocking and cheering. I go. See them now, big long gun go over them yard. Kill out the show and empty dog. Never get a youth can move. Big long gun go over them yard. Kill out the show and empty dog. Well on. Some bum buckler man are going like them a bad man. Listen this. We are Garrison, Selassie, I change our life. No boy can't tell me about badness. Listen this. He might tell me say him own gun. And the boy can't afford gun. Search him waist as he doesn't have home gun. Shoot the boy with a telephone gun. Love you. Selassie.
Now the king in the building. It's all about the Red Bull and Guinness. Big up the Deli Rankin. That's one of the wickedest rhythms for the summer. I gotta tell you. We gotta keep it moving because the fire is still blazing. So I need y'all to give a warm.
Hey, forward me going, no time to reverse. Them can't get, could never get me. Hypocrites and vipers, they try to push me to the ground. Portland, them can't get you. Could never get you down. The space the one who wears the crown. The one who sits on David's. Mix me up. Now, today for you, tomorrow for me, that's how it goes. Sometimes you lose, you better know. Life is a cycle, naturally, that's how it flows. flows. I am an overcomer, so can I be overthrown now? Every day I give the thanks and praise. He's the one who give me. When I'm timid, he makes me. Next thing, Rastafari. How you feeling? Yeah. Never go in the wrong congregation. What? Remember, see the under from the burn pagan. So I set it up. Whoa, take it down. Hold on. When I say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Bouncing Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Right now, me I call upon you, best center.
Burning red, that's whoa. I want Emmanuel like King Selassie. Yeah, Rastafari. Hey, Portland, red, that's whoa. You know it's best center for the people. Hey, some of us, a righteousness of it, you know. Love for us, some of us, boom. Mama told me, run company would let me down. And Papa showed me, if we bust it on the run no town. But if I had only listen to my mama's sound, I'd be out there in society, living life from sundown to sundown, make it run. Hey, Portland, me never take a talk, nobody couldn't talk to me. I just with me popping top and it's murder. I take a life like it belong to me. I'm very ready to carry out the devil order. Never stop until them send 5,000 soldiers to get me. This diverse on the top tag me in a corner. Live and be a lifer, die and be a corner was the name of the showdown. Burning again, hey, mama told me.
Rastafari. Set up and bless it up. What the clean out the people from Portland? Let me say the lion paw. All people know say them are clean. Let me say the lion paw. Set it and bless it up. Yes, Bling Dawg. Haile Selassie. Ruben I, black man, they don't know. Dash records of myself. Try. Rastafari. Yes, wife, you pick up yourself. You up now. Although times are and things. Love you, my people.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Warrior King. Give it up. Give it up for Warrior King. So, Bling Dawg Summer Jam 2006, sponsored by Magnum Wine. Turn on by the light. Turn on by the light. This is not simple. This is not simple. Portland people, are you ready for this? Kingstonians, are you ready for this? Because right now, I'm about to introduce one of Jamaica's biggest artists ever. We come to mash them down. We can't lose right now. Are you ready for this? Black, woman and child. Are you ready for this? Bling Dawg Summer Jam. Here comes Sizzla Kalonji. Sizzla Kalonji. This is Magnum's Bling Dawg Summer Jam. Welcomes Sizzla Kalonji.
Wow. Brimstone and fire. Portland me desire. Don't wanna. All who born Batman, put up the lighter. Boy, damn. Portland don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you're this sport, give me the one of the guns because pull up. Run it again, road boy. All who knows that them now about some more fire. Boy, see the light of them again in a car with a big friend. All of the girls have screamed. Brimstone and fire, burn them out entirely. Don't want to see corruption. It brings destruction. I love the beautiful girls. Portland bad man, sing me song again. Woo! Damn Portland don't apologize to nobody. If it is Portland, then they go. Give me the one of the girls because of them about me. You know the lake of fire, but that's yo. Well, the girls them sexy and pull up. Hear me now. Give me some more volume on my microphone there. Run the next one, my dog plug. Hey. Hear me now. I'm about to come from out the place, some of the best friends. Oh, yeah. I don't smoke marijuana, say ganja. Turn it up. Down. Smoke the herb and get home, Mr. Hot. Babylon turn us on this one.
Get a jump for a pound. Come on, pull up. Run it again, me out. Run it again. I'm a big up all of the Rasta man now about the Elizabeth. Bunch and Pope. All of the boy that will go back here and some pussy get gunshot. You ready again? Put on me body right here. Smoking marijuana and I just got the right here. So blaze up the chalice for the guy. Rasta man, they got the right here. Pull up. I'm telling you to turn on my blood clot microphone. I wouldn't ramp with it. Run the rhythm out. You never know that? Woo! Only man never like King Selassie I draw. All black people in Jamaica, you know, say you have to make it engineer. And you never hear about some more fire. Let me hear you again now. I was born in that doesn't. I'm a come out you now. Pull up. Yo, big respect to Bling Dawg, Bounty Killer, big up yourself. Judgment here inside the house. Oh, God bless. Oh, God bless. You know that song, yeah? Ooh, yeah. Hey, what a light of them there. I'm here telling them, turn up the sound again on Portland. Then I want your name, yes, you got to be. I'll be the pastor. Don't worry, come. I doubt you. I'll be saying, yes, you got to be. I'll be the pastor. The world is out there, conquer your affairs. Put on me, but never. Then I want your name. How get to bring like some I have seen. Pull up. What am I out? No more the item no says Imperial Majesty is the Almighty I. And his foundation is up on the outer mountains. All the Selassie over the gates of Zion and do the place of Jacob. It is good to see I and I live in love and unity, you know what I mean? That one here for me guys. I'm missing you. You know that one here? Let me hear that one here again. That one here, cry. If I hear but you, I'll pull it. Give me a different track, yes. Sounding good because security. Special request for the nice and decent citizens living in Portland. I'm gonna start it again. Woman, I need you, like Portland woman, you're the one that you don't. I need you, like. And when you're with me, I feel so safe and secure. I need you, like Portland woman, you're the one that you adore. I need you, Alright, take it up, I'm gonna sing a new song for you, alright, girls? Hold on. I wanna flex with you, girl. I wanna have sex with you, girl. Open your leg and stretch out, you girl. Hey, take it down now. Damn. I wanna rip off your clothes. I wanna strip you and you know. Hey. Let me tell you the summer woman. Well, I know that one your name. Take it all off. Take it off, girl. Hey, sexy girl, I make your panty fall off. Well, I know, take it off. You know, girls, your lips are so soft. Your skin is so smooth. Let me be the beat of your heart. It's only feels good, girl. I fuck you so hard. That pull up. Give me something different and step on the pace. What did you? Something different. Step on the pace. Hear me now. Portland people. Yes, baby. Why you little girls them scream again, you know? Come again for the ladies. They know on your name. Where do you go down to? Baby, when are you going to let us?
Wagwan ENT.
When are you going to come my way? Goddamn, what sort of things they've been telling you? Hey, I got to stop them from compelling you, girl. That just won't stop. me hear you. Give me a try, 'cause things will be great. Me, don't be shy. To love, not for tie. It's only create. I'm gonna make you. Hey, put it up. What it there? Here we know we have some boy that go around and a molest people daughter underage. You see the boy that go around and rape up the Jamaican woman them a gunshot phone. I'm telling you that straight. Try to rape my sister and my woman or none of my nieces.
Gunshot.
Here we know the black man must have respect for the woman. Tell it to me out. So all the man never bow. Yeah. Portland, that was a near me. I forgot them no keyboard. Me nah rape. I forget them. Me nah rape. I forget them. Pull up. Here we know. Who I see the light of them represent upon that one here. Push up the light of them because you don't know, sir. You respect your woman and respect your daughter and the boy can rape her blood clot. Boy, Portland, you have forget the no keyboard.
Me nah rape.
I forget the no keyboard.
Me nah rape.
I forget the no keyboard.
Me nah rape.
I so say stay but not before them go set another. Well, the girl them so sexy, girl them so great. Pull up. Well, I know. Hear me now. That one here for the gangsters them see me. Run it. I pass me, I pass through. Judgment yard inside the house.
Yeah.
Yo! For the ladies in Poland. I run the girls, that's how it goes. That's it, the girls,
They love me so.
Smoking the ass.
Keeping the flow.
Anywhere I'm going,
The one I go.
I run the girls,
That's how it goes.
that's what the girls
They love me so.
Smoking nerves,
I'm keeping the flow.
anywhere I'm
One I go.
I'm in the top of the line. Protect the girl, the boy, the man. Pull up. Different thing. Hear me now. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. When we get to straight for now. I'm in the top of the line. Protect the girl, the boy, the man. Step up in now. Fire for the man, never go and man me. Me I tell you say pump, pump. So I'm sorry to me tell you say pump. What I tell you. She want me squeeze up her teeth to make her pussy get wet. Girl, come call me. Me cock her up and turn her over. Took her under the cover. Come call me. Pull it. Different thing. I want to come for work. You know that little song here? Cause them feel such a way a Rasta man when I kill Batman. Batman for dead.
Right.
And tell me cause this I want to beg friend. You ready again? Lighter! Woo! Cause we don't care what them wanna say. Anyone this Portland? Come again. Yo, in the business of who? Come on, this way. Pull it. Fire again! Portland, down on the town, on the left hand.
Now we run it.
And the boy is the button, we got done it. None of my girls have never done free money. Now power with the boy from them funny. Towns on the left hand.
Now we run it.
And the boy is the button,
We got done it.
none of my girls have no.
For money.
Hey boy, you must have a it's a mental sickness, you a barber. You want some guns, so nice, the barber. And you want the pen in the body, barber. Pull it. What it? Portland is a beautiful country. In Jamaica, keep it clean. I mean, say, Holy Emmanuel and Kingston, I see I draw. All who know that I'm proud to be black, hands in the air. Different from me. All right. I want to sing that song enough more. Portland people from never about push up the light of them. No, you mad me, no mess around the trad. Them things they have abomination to God. No, you're the best. Yo, Portland, that one on here. No way. Bad man, no so pussy,
No way.
What I know? I want them feel like. Never sing a brand new thing for the gangster them. Break it down low. Take it down. Portland say,
Most wanted don't get things started. Machine gun Portland them walk with it. Most wanted don't get things started. Big machine gun banana clip man I walk with. Most wanted don't get things started. Big machine gun banana clip man I walk with. Most wanted go. You want to mix it again? Come on. Some big long gun on red out on them. Extra look on the road on them. Jackson's gorillas come out on them. Wanna from that is a note on them. Some big long gun on red out on them. Extra look on the note. Jackson's gorillas come out.
Now let me tell them something. Portland, go get guns. Go get guns. We set some boy a fuck right now. Go get guns. Go. Hey, Portland. We gonna tell them, go get guns, go get guns. We set some boy a fuck rectum, go get guns. Hey, Portland, you hear me? Who might come check with a judgment yard? Say she want it tougher than tough and hard. Say she want we tight than strings and card. Why we guess it as the war record?
Hear me now? Take it. Put it up. Big up myself, Joseph Shepherd. Give me something different. Cause you hear me now, people who have to bless it and offense at the end of the day. I love me culture, big up myself, set speed. You know me, I said me can't come here and sing them song here for the top stuff. Portland, you know so we original gangster. I would from Ethiopia, black people and slavery. All the man who knows that I'm a big friend. Let me say these are the days. Shut out the bad for the pagan. Pull up. Hear me now? I saw the thing said. The prince of heaven, princess, big up yourself. Bubbles, big up yourself. You know me now, people that drive from Kingston all south of the country to come and big up on themselves. Safe drive, you know me I tell them say one love. Run over the youth. I'm going to be two more of the artists that come to them world because we have to bless it. You know what I mean? So I feel no way. I saw the thing said from them time there. But you know that little tune here? Come on, Portland. Now I need to do with this for them this begin them.
Gunshot.
Say do with this for them this begin them.
Gunshot.
Say do with this for them this begin.
Gunshot.
Pull up. What let them out? Give me solid as a rock or something sing for the people that know. Now we have some youth when their parents send them go school. Them school and they don't go to school and sit in class and do their homework and do their school work. Fireball. You have some youth down the place that snort coke and them thing there. But just second down all of them. Chop off the peg and then I let it roll away. Listen to what I got to say. You my people. Come back, we go mash them down.
Now lose.
Sister that I hide them up.
Prove them approve.
Pull it up, youth. Hold it. Hear me now. May I tell you something? I love Batman them for dead. Presently, when you observe Jamaica have a prime minister as a female, big respect for the woman them. You see, black man always have them woman doing things. Because woman are the mother for the nation. Big respect. But you must know, say Queen Elizabeth of England, John Pope, George Bush, the one of them Arab the way I want the Middle East with them suicide fuckery. None of them no higher than His Majesty. His Majesty is your father, your black people. So here we now remember, so we born Batman. King Solomon did have sex with Queen of Sheba. The thing set. Give me a different ready my body to go show you. Cause I saw this thing go. You know what I mean? Alright, check it out. That one you're brand new, you know. I'm here to bless the girls I'm seeing we and the gangsters them. That one you're going to bless it again. Boom. Me tell you, oh yes. Chicken, me regrets. But love your Portland.
Whoa.
Bless ya.
Rastafari.
Bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sizzla Kalonji. Make some noise.
Wagwan ENT.